Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Remember a couple of videos ago when I did my winter to spring wardrobe switchover and said this? And we're good for however long spring lasts, maybe one more month until it starts to get 30-40 degrees outside and we need to switch into our summer stuff. Well, yeah, that's basically what happened. We went from all you need is a light jacket, perfect April 25th weather, to Dante's Inferno in less than a month, which means that a lot of the clothes in my closet are now just too hot to wear. And by hot, I mean hot. So it seems as good a time as any to say a temporary goodbye to all my adorable leather jackets and sweaters for the season and tackle my spring to summer wardrobe switchover. I'd like to do this every season because 1, my wardrobe is pretty tiny. I mean, this is it. So it's a bit challenging to have my entire year-round wardrobe stuffed into my closet at all times. And because it's so small, the closet starts to look really full, more full than this, really quickly, and that's when I find getting dressed becomes kind of shitty and overwhelming. You know, the whole closet full of clothes and nothing to wear thing. And 2, because I have a habit of really only wearing the clothes I can actually see, so rearranging and reorganizing my wardrobe like this with every season has been the best way that I've been able to get a solid rotation out of my clothes. Every time I do a switchover, it's a great opportunity for me to reacquaint myself with my clothes, and I really find it feels like you're going shopping for a whole new wardrobe when you're really not. This is also when I like to take the time to do a quick but focused wardrobe edit, because sometimes you come across items that no longer fit. Spoiler alert, my jean shorts. We've all been there, right? Or pieces that you haven't worn in many seasons, but for some reason still kept. So I'll be doing this as well. And just to give you an idea, this is what the state of my current closet is. I have a lot of clothes that I wear all year round in here, like my t-shirts and button-downs and jeans. And then I have a more seasonal mix for spring, like my lightweight sweaters and cardigans. For the summer switchover, I'll be focusing on putting away things like my wool and cashmere pieces and swapping in fast movers like my linen items, lighter wash denim, shorts, dresses, and skirts. So whenever I do a wardrobe switchover, I always start by emptying out my wardrobe so that I can go through each item and decide if I want it to stay or if I want to take a break from it for the season. Look at how dusty! Since I'm doing this anyway, I also make sure to take the time to dust and vacuum because your closet is a dust collector. Like, look at this. Sometimes I don't know how I still have hair on my head. And something I'm doing differently this time is I decided to rotate my shoe storage. Right now I keep all my shoes in these clear boxes so I can utilize the empty space above my closet, and they've also been amazing in helping me get way more wear out of my shoes because I can actually see them. Like I used to keep all my shoes in their boxes, which really just meant I wore the same 3 pairs over and over again. So I love these stackable shoe containers from Amazon because they're transparent so I can see everything I have at a glance, and these little doors make it so easy to grab the shoes that I want to wear. Since I'm kind of short, I usually keep my most worn shoe rotation on the bottom shelf, and for the last year I've been keeping my boots here because of the fall and winter season. I've been keeping my sandals and heels up at the top because I live in Canada and you really only have a short window of time to show your toes. But it's right now. So I'm going to be swapping out this arrangement to make it easier to grab my slides, flats, sandals, all through the season. After I finish rearranging my shoes, I start going through all the clothes that I can wear pretty much all year and still through the summer and start putting them back into my wardrobe. Any pieces I'm not sure about, whether it be styling or sizing, I put to the side so I can try these on and decide if I'm going to keep or declutter them. And I'm really determined to wear more dresses and skirts this summer, so in those go. I keep my off-season clothing in this plastic bin and any overflow like shoes, scarves, mittens, and boots in this carry-on bag. So next I start pulling out all my summer pieces that I want to go in my closet and swap in my fall and winter pieces that I won't be wearing for a while, and I'm happy to give myself some time to miss them. All right, so I found some things that we're gonna be decluttering because they don't fit, and that whole sausage leg thing, it's happening. And the thing about the summertime too is I swell. Like, I can't wear rings in the summer because my fingers swell up, my legs swell up in the heat. So I really need my clothes to be breezy and easy to wear. So if anything is too tight, it's out. I gotta let it go. So I have a pair of these jeans from A. Goldie. These are so nice. These are the mid-rise 90s jeans. I love A. Goldie denim, but these are just a bit too small and too tight. And I do love a ripped pair of jeans in the summertime. I think they feel really relaxed and casual, and if there's a time and place for ripped jeans, I feel like it's a summertime outfit. But these are in perfect condition, so I'm going to be selling these. And I had 2 pair of vintage Levi denim shorts. I really like having at least 1 pair of denim shorts in my wardrobe rotation, but unfortunately these are too tight. They fit around the waist okay, but in the butt and the thighs, it just sausages out and it does not look or feel good at all. And with these are a pair of Levi 550 shorts. I love the 550 if you prefer a higher rise in your denim compared to a mid-rise. A 501 is a mid-rise, and a lot of people don't like that. So if you feel like a 501 is not flattering on you, or if you have a bigger butt and bigger thighs, try the 550 cut. You know, when you feel like you just really have to suck it in to try to button up your denim, and then when you actually relax, it just, you know, you get like the inner tube on top, and it's just really not comfortable or cute. That's what's happening with these, so I'm gonna sell them. I like my big butt, but it's not fitting a lot of my stuff anymore. Some more things going in are my linen vests. I love wearing vests in the summer because they're just like a different alternative to a tank top. And I like actually layering a vest over a tank top like this as opposed to a t-shirt. It just feels a little bit more interesting to me, and you can wear the vest open in that case. But I'm hanging it together with my linen trousers from Dish. These are really nice and breezy and really comfortable, easy to wear, and I find a pleated pair of linen trousers is such a nice staple to have in your summer wardrobe because they really dress up an outfit instantly. I like having a more sort of polished, elevated pair of pants like this with the pleating and the high rise, and then I also like to have a pair of linen trousers with an elasticated waistband and a drawstring, because then you kind of get the best of both worlds. You have an option if you want to feel a bit more elevated, and then you have another one for more breezy everyday, and with an elasticated waistband, it's just so easy to wear. So that's going in. So I have a lot of denim jeans. They're probably my favorite thing to buy and to wear. So to get good rotation out of them, I like to choose about 4 to 5 pairs and keep them in this IKEA storage bin to make getting dressed really easy. In the summer months, I prefer to wear more light wash denim, and I don't mind a pair of distressed jeans in the summer for a more casual feel. I take out all the darker washes of denim and put them back into storage, which I keep under the bed here. This is also where I'll take the opportunity to add in any more seasonal accessories like hats, sunglasses, and bags. Like this recent addition to my wardrobe from Dragon Diffusion that I gifted myself for hitting 100K on Instagram, so thank you so much. Once most of my items are swapped out, I'll also take a few minutes to steam any of my more wrinkled items before they go into the closet so that I'll actually wear them when I'm ready. Sometimes I find hanging up wrinkly clothes in the closet makes me not want to wear them, so doing this ahead of time before they go in ensures that I actually do. And while I'm putting things back, I also like to take note of any gaps I might be noticing in my closet. Since I found out that my denim shorts don't fit anymore, tragic, I'm going to make a note to DIY an old pair of jeans into shorts, and I think I want to add a more formal but comfy pair of shorts to my wardrobe that I can dress up and dress down. Something like this. So this is what the wardrobe is looking like after. I always feel like my befores and afters are going to look so much different, but they really never do, because just a lot of my year-round t-shirts and button downs and things like that, they just stay here. So what really is new to the wardrobe is more things like my vests, my linen vests that are here. Back here I have my summer denim that I want to be reaching for, so things like lighter washes, looser silhouettes, things like that. So I just really like that I can see all my shoes, and I find this storage method has really helped me be able to get good rotation out of my shoes because I can see them, which is amazing. And here I've got a mix of linen shirts, cotton poplin shirts, and just straight up cotton shirts. We've got my 100% cotton t-shirts. I have a ton of white t-shirts because they just stain so easily, especially in the summer. You just sweat so much. I have one black t-shirt, one cream t-shirt when white feels a bit too stark, a bunch more vests to choose from, and tank tops hanging here. So this is really a nice mix of my year-round wardrobe plus a lot of just my more summer-specific pieces that I can't wait to wear. So that's exactly how and why I switch over my wardrobe every single season. To me, it's kind of like shopping for a brand new wardrobe, except without shopping. And it's a great way to reacquaint myself with my old clothes. It really does make them feel brand new again. And by the way, it's also how you can create opportunities to get a bit more use and wear out of any new items that you may have added. In all, this takes me about an hour to maybe an hour and a half to do. And in my opinion, it's a great maintenance routine that can help you stay organized and on top of your closet. Let me know if you're going to be building your own summer wardrobe, and let me know what you're looking forward to wearing. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, it would mean so much to me if you gave it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, because it really does help me out more than you know. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you want even more exclusive content, you can check out my Patreon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Love ya. Bye.